Hello, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to add your Instagram feed to your Wix website so your visitors can see your posts directly on your site. Start by opening your Wix editor and going to Add Elements. Use the search bar to type Instagram, then head to the app market and select the Instagram feed app by Wix. Click Add to Site and it will appear on your page. Next, drag and resize your feed to the spot you want. Then go to Settings and connect your Instagram account. Allow Wix to access your profile and media. Don't worry, no personal info is shared. Once connected, you can customize your feed in the Layout section. Choose a grid view, adjust rows, columns, image ratio, and spacing. You can also tweak the design, add borders, opacity, or effects like zoom. Finally, resize as needed, click Publish, and preview your site. Now your Instagram feed is live on your Wix website, and that's it. Your visitors can now enjoy your latest posts directly on your site. Thanks for watching and happy web designing.